Picture this. You're part of a team building a skyscraper. Who would you prefer leading the project? A boss who makes all the decisions? A leader who involves the team in every step? Someone who lets you take the reins? Or a visionary inspiring you to reach new heights? Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore these leadership styles and find out which one resonates with you. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the core principles of 4 key leadership styles: autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, and transformational. Learn how each style impacts team dynamics and performance. Discover which leadership style might best suit different situations. Autocratic leaders make decisions unilaterally, expecting obedience and adherence to their rules and guidelines. This style is often effective in situations requiring quick decision making or in environments where control and consistency are paramount. Following are the key components of autocratic leadership style: centralized decision making, clear and direct instructions, high level of control over team activities. Think of a military general directing troops. Decisions need to be quick, clear, and followed without question to ensure safety and success. Autocratic leadership is like a strict school teacher who sets all the rules and expects students to follow them without question. Steve Jobs at Apple often exhibited autocratic leadership. His clear vision and high standards drove the company to innovate and succeed, though it sometimes led to a demanding work environment. Democratic leaders involve team members in decision-making process, fostering a sense of collaboration and shared responsibility. This style is effective in environments that benefit from diverse perspectives and team input. Key characteristics of democratic leadership: inclusive decision-making, encouragement of team input, shared responsibility, and accountability. Think of a project manager who holds regular team meetings to discuss progress and brainstorming solutions, ensuring everyone's voice is heard. Democratic leadership is like a family deciding on a vacation destination together, with everyone having a say in the final choice. Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, is known for her democratic leadership style. She encouraged open dialogue and valued the input of her team, which helped drive innovation and growth at PepsiCo. Laissez-faire leaders give their team members the freedom to make decisions and carry out their tasks as they see fit. This style works best with highly skilled and self-motivated teams. Key characteristics of laissez-faire leadership: minimal direct supervision, high level of autonomy, trust in team members' ability. An R&D team at a tech company where each member is an expert in their field and works independently on their projects. Laissez-faire leadership is like a jazz band, where each musician has the freedom to improvise and contribute creatively without strict direction. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, exemplifies laissez-faire leadership by allowing the manager of his acquired companies to operate independently, trusting their expertise to drive success. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate their teams to exceed expectations and achieve extraordinary outcomes. This style focuses on vision, change, and the development of team members. Key characteristics of transformational leaders: inspirational vision, focus on change and innovation, development and empowerment of team members. A startup founder who rallies their team around a bold vision, encouraging them to innovate and push boundaries to achieve groundbreaking success. Transformational leadership is like a coach who inspires their team to win the championship, fostering a sense of purpose and unity. Nelson Mandela's leadership in South Africa is a prime example of transformational leadership. His vision for a united, peaceful country inspired millions and led to significant social and political change. I want you to reflect on your current or future role as a leader. Identify which leadership style resonates with you and consider how you can apply its principles to your team or organization. Experiment with different styles in various situations to find the most effective approach. For further reading, I recommend The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John C. Maxwell. It offers practical insights and tips for effective leadership strategies.